everyone, my name is Meera, my Instagram is Meera_cat and my TikTok is Meera.Jacka. I'm going to be doing a try and haul for DollsKill. I chose like 8 different things and I can't wait to show you everything I got. The first thing I chose was this little grey crop top. You can see here it has this really gorgeous little detailing in the middle and I am so excited for this. I own so many colourful flare pants and I don't have a lot of things to pair them with, so I think this is going to be perfect. I'm going to be wearing this all through summer and I'm really excited to try it on. It looks like it's going to be really form-fitting and very flattering. Here we have the grey shirt. I absolutely love it. It's super form-fitting and I absolutely love this. So the second thing I got was this pair of jeans. I'm probably one of the only people in the world who owns no jeans at all, so I thought this is a good chance to change that. This is what they look like. They're really soft. I like the blue, and my favorite part is they have these really sexy little cutouts at the hips. There's one on each side and I think they're gonna look so cute. Here we have the pants. I think this is one of my favorites. I love it. I love the cutouts. I love that you can see my tattoo. You can see it from the back. And if you get up here, you got like little flares. They are just fantastic. I'm gonna wear these all the time. This next thing I got I think is probably one of my favorites. It is this really cute crop top. It's kind of got like a sunset vibe, very summery. It also has like that detailed ruffle in the middle. It's like a mesh material as well, so it's quite sheer. And I think it's going to be perfect for summer. I think it's going to go really well with the pants I chose, so I probably pair them together and I'm just so excited to try it on. Okay guys, this outfit is everything. I absolutely love it. This top goes so well with the pants. It is so comfy, it's so cute. I love the colours, I love how snug it is. I love this, and I love just how sheer it is. Like, it's just the right amount of sheer. This is best outfit already. I haven't even tried on the rest, but best outfit. The next thing I got were these black high-waisted booty shorts. They're kind of like a fake sort of like leathery material, I'd say, and they've got the zipper at the front. They are really cute. I bought them like to go clubbing and go out, but I have a feeling they're going to be a little bit too big, so we'll have to see when I put them on. I do think they'll be easy to take in on the sides if they are, but fingers crossed it won't be needed. And I chose this kind of for work actually. It's this asymmetrical shirt. It's only got one sleeve, and I thought not only would it go well with a lot of different like flare pants I have, but it would show off my tattoo sleeve that I'm starting. I've only got it on one side. I was worried it would come and be like the other side. I couldn't really tell too well on the photo, but I think I've ordered it correctly and I'm really keen. Sad news about the shorts, they are a little bit big. They're not too bad. I definitely think I can save them, but as you can see, they are quite baggy. I probably have to bring them in a bit here. They don't fit as snug as I would like them to, but I do think I can fix them. The material is quite nice, it is stretchy, so I would definitely say size down if you want to buy them, but overall I'm not mad. I think I can fix them, make them work for me. So the next dress I bought is kind of like a 2-piece dress, and it kind of gets merged by, I feel like, the tying, which I can't really remember how to do. I guess I'll find it out when I try to put it together. This is the top, and you can see it's just kind of like, it looks a bit like a plain black crop top. I could probably wear it as a plain black crop top too, which would be nice. So it has like a multi-purpose, and it's just got these strings and they connect to the bottom, which is otherwise just this like black mini skirt. And yeah, I think it'd be really cute for going out, going clubbing. All right, this is perfect for going out, perfect for a date night. I love this middle bit. It took me a while to figure out, but I think I got it right. To be honest, you can probably do it in a couple different ways, so whatever suits you best. Here's what it looks like from the side, back. How good would this be like going out for dinner with your friends, or going clubbing, or like a fancy date? It's really good. The material is really soft, very silky, and I'm just in love with this. I love it. The next thing I chose, and I think this is another one of my favorites, is this little mini dress. I love the colors. I love the butterfly print. It is just gorgeous. It's one of those dresses that's like very ruffled the whole way down, very form-fitting, and I think it's gonna look so cute. I am a little bit worried that it might be a bit too tight, but we'll find out, fingers crossed. This dress It's so nice. It fits really snug, it's really pretty. It is quite short, like I don't know if you can see where it ends, but that's alright, and I absolutely love it. It just feels really nice. I love the patterns, I love the colours, it's so flattering. I love how tight it is around the waist. It like gives you a really nice figure. It's just gorgeous. Finally, we have the socks. I don't really know how to show these to you, but how cute are they with this dress? I absolutely love them. With like some black heels, some black boots. They would go so well.